Available rear cross traffic braking and available reverse automatic braking can help avoid collisions when backing up by providing emergency braking. If equipped, rear cross traffic braking uses sensors to detect vehicles approaching the rear of your vehicle on either side when you're in reverse. If cross traffic is detected, red flashing triangles will show on the rear vision camera display. Arrows will point to the direction of the approaching vehicle. 3 directional beeps, or 3 left or right side safety alert seat pulses are provided, if equipped and enabled. If you don't respond quickly or the situation escalates, the feature will automatically apply hard emergency braking. Reverse automatic braking uses sensors to detect objects directly behind you when in reverse. If it detects a potential collision, you may receive 2 safety alert seat pulses on both sides or a single rear beep, depending on your settings. An alert will also appear on your rear vision camera display. If it detects you're in imminent danger, you'll receive 5 safety alert seat pulses on both sides or repeated rear beeps, plus an alert icon on your rear vision camera display. If you don't respond quickly, this feature will also apply hard emergency braking. You can turn this feature off by disabling Park Assist, which you can find under Collisions/Detection Systems in the Settings menu of your center display. Visit Cadillac.com/support for more information.